What's up, guys? So we're gonna do a quick video today. We got some Auto Mafia Racing rear seat deletes and they're pretty sweet. So we're gonna install them in mine, and I think Zach, Watch My Eco, is gonna install his later, but we might do it today still. But we're gonna get those installed. Check them out. So we have the rear seat removed, and this passenger seat removed makes it easier. And here's the presentation for you guys. We'll just set it up for a second as we're putting it on. Looks pretty sweet, doesn't it? Now, we do use quick latches with it to hold the back on, and that's what I'm working on installing now. So, where they line up is right where your seat brackets used to be. So I'm putting one in there, and then one will go in that one. So I gotta crawl in the trunk so I can reach it all and get it done. So guys, I'm in the trunk right now, and I'm just putting on the back of the quick latch in an attempt to secure it so that we can try, it's pretty good, to get the latches, the quick latches to work on there. So basically they just clip right on.
Which that's the hole he's working with right now.
Yeah.
It's right in there. You can see, it's kind of hard to see, but that's the hole he's working with.
Yeah, with one of those. So we'll tighten her up a little bit and see if we have the right amount. That's probably pretty good. Do you want to go see, push that up, and we'll see if it clicks? We'll see if we can get it to.
All right, so we have the one in, like we were showing you guys right here. That's Caleb in the trunk. So we have the quick latches on the front of this, so we're gonna test it out, line it up, and see if we can get it to clip in, which is kind of difficult, but.
You come out further.
There we go. Just like that, clipped on, secure, and you push it in.
Maybe.
So one thing you will notice when installing this is you'll have to fine tune where your quick latch, I guess, stud is. You can move it in and out. That's what he's doing right now, because I was having trouble unlatching it basically. So once I get it latched, I was having trouble pushing this button to unlatch it, and so we're gonna try it again. Get it lined up, clipped on. Okay, it's clipped on pretty easy. You hit the button, comes off. So that was much easier, and that's about where we want it. So you guys will have to kind of fine-tune how far the stud is, which basically there's a nut on either side of this piece of metal that you can adjust it with.
Let's do the other one. You want to hand me one?
Where is it at?
All right, guys, here we go. Pretty much the finished product. I'm gonna find a way to secure the bottom because I need a longer piece right here. It goes into a hole down there. So I'm gonna get a bolt. Probably make it black, stick it through there and get that one on, and then do the same on the other side so that this doesn't really move, because then that'll be secure as well. So I think these look pretty awesome, guys. They will be going on the site soon.